Hi, this is Dan Moralez at First Place Bank. Just wanted to take a quick moment to share with you some information about construction lending. At First Place, we are one of the leaders when it comes to home construction loans. A beautiful part about the program available here at First Place is we offer what's known as a construction permanent loan. A construction permanent loan is a combination of your construction loan as well as your permanent mortgage. Normally, what you'll see most banks will offer some type of construction financing and then offer you a permanent mortgage once you're done with your house. Now, for a lot of our competitors, that means two different loans. That means you have one loan for your construction mortgage and then you have a second loan, which is your permanent mortgage. Now, unfortunately, two loans generally means two different interest rates and two different sets of cost. The difference with First Place is we offer a construction permanent mortgage. And you might say, what is a construction permanent mortgage? A construction permanent mortgage is a combination of your construction loan and your permanent mortgage all together in one shot. What that means is you only have one set of closing costs because you only have one loan to close. That one set of closing costs helps to reduce your overall cost because unlike many of our competitors that have two loans where you have one set of closing costs for a construction loan and then a separate set of closing costs for a permanent mortgage, we're able to do it with one set of closing costs and have one mortgage from start to finish. The beautiful part about the First Place product is your interest rate is guaranteed right up front. You have the same interest rate not only during the course of construction but for the permanent mortgage as well. So what that means is you can sleep at night. If we're in an environment where interest rates are rising, you don't have to worry about being caught with a higher interest rate when your house is done. If we're in an environment where interest rates are lower than what you originally closed your construction loan at, you don't have to worry either. We have the ability to work with you to get you a lower interest rate upon completion of your home. So whether rates go up or down, you have some peace of mind as part of the First Place construction product. Again, beautiful part, one set of closing costs, one interest rate from start to finish, an interest rate guarantee. Best of all, we offer that product on a fixed rate mortgage. That means whether you're looking for a 15, 20, or 30-year fixed rate loan, you can lock in your mortgage rate right up front, know exactly what you're going to get, and know exactly what to expect throughout the entire construction process. During the course of construction, we offer a couple of different combinations. You have the ability to do a construction term of 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, or 12 months. What that means is you have 4 months to get the house done. You have 6 months, you have 8 months, or you have 12 months, depending on the option that you select. Now, most clients that are working with a custom home builder are usually able to get the job accomplished within the course of a 6 to 8 month timeline. For larger, more custom homes, sometimes a 12-month timeline is necessary. What that means is during the course of a 6-month timeline, you have 6 months to get the house completed. Now, another advantage to the First Place construction product is your 6-month construction term does not start until the first of the month after closing. You could say, well, what does that really matter? Well, a lot of lenders, when you lock in an interest rate for a 6-month timeline, that 6-month period starts as soon as you lock in. So if you haven't even broke ground on your house and you're just starting the construction loan process and you lock in today, you got 6 months from today to be done with that house. Well, depending on the lender you're working with, it could be another 30 days before you even get your construction loan closed. And in all honesty, in today's world, for many lenders, it could be another 60 days before you even get your construction loan closed. That means 2 months of your 6-month lock-in has already gone and wasted. In the case with First Place, our construction loan works much more unique. What I mean by that is if you lock in an interest rate on a construction loan today, you have 45 days to get your construction loan closed. So if today's March 1, that means I have through April 15, let's say, to get my construction loan closed. If I close on my construction loan on April 15 and I chose a 6-month construction term, I have 6 months from the first of the month after closing to be done with that. So in other words, if I closed on April 15, I have 6 months from May 1 to be completed with my house. My interest rate was locked in and guaranteed to me right up front on March 1st, but I have 6 months from May 1 to be done. So in other words, I have through November 1 to be completed with that house. Now, if I took a 6-month lock-in with many of our competitors and I locked in on March 1, that means I would have to be done with my house by September 1. Now, both of us are offering a 6-month interest rate lock-in. The only difference is my lock-in would expire on November 1, where most of my peers would expire on September 1. There's a 2-month difference there. And when it comes to new home construction and custom new home construction in particular, that 2 months can make a huge difference, especially if we're in an environment where interest rates are rising. Because most lenders, if you're not able to complete the transaction within that 6-month timeline, will either force your rate lock to expire or charge you significant fees to extend your construction loan. So again, not all construction loans are created equal. You'll find that the first place product is probably the most flexible product in the marketplace. Not to mention, did I tell you our interest rates are fantastic? We offer some of the best interest rates for a construction loan. On top of that, you get to work with lenders that understand real estate construction lending. As a lender for nearly 20 years, I've been doing construction loans for that entire 20 years. We understand construction loans, we know how to do them, and we know how to get them done. We'll work closely with you, with your builder, to ensure your draws are done timely. We do review the builder. We want to make sure that the builder is one that is financially stable and likely to be able to succeed in getting the project done. Those are all little differences that are part of the first place construction product. If you have a specific project you'd like us to take a look at, we'd love to make contact with you. Just hit our contact page and you'll find our contact information. We'd love to look at your specific project and show you what we can do in the construction. I'm confident that once you see the difference between what we have to offer versus our peers, not only that, but the fantastic interest rates and the fact that you can work with knowledgeable folks who understand construction lending, you will understand there is a world of difference between us and most of our peers. Again, I look forward to having the opportunity to discuss your specific construction project with you. Thanks.